Hi, I'm Michael Terenzi, Director of Customer Success at the Bardess Group. Today we're going to talk about upcoming changes to ClickSense Desktop. As you've probably seen, ClickSense Desktop will no longer be free after June 30th, 2020. This video is going to show you how to prepare as an administrator and how to authenticate and unlock ClickSense Desktop as a user. In order to continue developing with a local client, the following options are available. You can authenticate as an authorized licensed ClickSense user. You can also request a trial license from your partner or Click sales representative. If you are a developer and member of the Click branch community, you have access to a QSD unlock file in your user profile. And after the June release of ClickSense, SaaS authentication options will also be available. Administrators have three options to provide to users for authentication. One, they can notify users that an authentication link is available for them to access via the ClickSense Hub. They can send the link to users either by email or communication software, or they can replace a specific file in each user's profile, which is good for automation. So let's start with method one. As an administrator, the first thing you'll need to do is create a client authentication link. In the QMC, navigate to your virtual proxy and click Client Authentication Link on the right-hand side. Enter your URI, friendly name, and generate the link, and once done, hit Apply, and you will restart the virtual proxy. As a user, the authentication link is now available from the Hub More Options menu on the top right. Click the ellipsis and select Client Authentication. When prompted, select Open ClickSense Browser and the desktop client will open. All the user should have to do now is click on the button, Bardess Authentication Link, and that will take them to the authentication page. The second method is very similar, only instead of accessing the authentication link from the Hub, administrators can send it out to users directly via email or communication platforms. Again, you will need to access the link from the machine where your desktop client is installed and repeat the steps from method 1. The third authentication link method that can be provided is for admins to create a file and place it in each user's profile. This will generate the friendly name option for users when ClickSense Desktop opens. To do this, first copy the URI that is generated in the QMC. Create a directory called Hubs in the user profile /documents/click/sense directory. Create a file in Notepad and paste the URI from the virtual proxy client authentication link and save the file as hubs.ini. You can automate this process for all ClickSense Desktop users, or you can have them place it directly into the folder location themselves. Now when the desktop is open, the friendly name for the client authentication link is present and users will be able to authenticate. Now for developers, let's walk through the Click branch unlock method. If you're a registered member of the Click branch community, you will automatically have what's called an unlock file in your user profile, which will be good for about 30 days. They will post a new unlock file to your profile about 30 days before your current one expires. On the left-hand side of your user profile, hit the green button to download the QSD unlock file. Place this file in your user profile /document/click/sense/trial folder. If there is no trial directory created, just create one and place the file there. Now, open ClickSense Desktop, and at the top you will see the option to use the trial. Hit the launch button and you'll be all set. Here are some additional considerations. ClickSense Desktop will require ClickSense Enterprise on Windows or Click SaaS to unlock. Professional licenses, user tokens, core, and QAP licenses are required. Ports 80 and 443 are also required depending on how your virtual proxy is configured. Authentication is good for 30 days, and that's when the offline period begins. And the offline period will begin each time a user re-authenticates. Thanks again for watching and for being proactive with Bardess Customer Success.